Hello traders, and welcome to our first free weekly market forecast here on our channel. We will be doing those once a week, upload every Saturday. We're just a little bit late for this week, but from next week we will be uploading every Saturday, and we will be covering a couple of instruments and pairs for free here on YouTube, and obviously all of the instruments and the detailed analysis as to why we can see what we see. It will be included in our membership service that we will be starting next month. So let's have a look what we can see happening in the next week ahead. Starting from dollar index, we can see that it's within a cycle from 28th of December 23. After this correction, we're expecting another push higher towards at least the 104 area, either from current levels, or if it drops, it's going to push up again. Then similarly, dollar yen, we can see again it's going to push up higher potentially, either with a small drop or from current area as well. We are not looking to sell dollar yen at this stage. Then euro dollar, we are also not looking to buy. We can see either a small push up and then a drop, or a drop from this area because of the expected dollar strength. Pound dollar, very similar to euro dollar, so we can expect a drop soon from pound dollar. We are not going to be looking to buy from this area because of the dollar strength that we are expecting. Next, we're going to have a look at minors. Pound yen, again, we are not going to be looking to buy. We can see a drop. Now, this drop can start with a small push-up or a bigger push-up. It's irrelevant. We are not going to be looking to buy from this area because we are expecting a drop to come next. And then Euro Oz, we can see that it has started a cycle from January the 2nd. Now, this cycle can get bigger or smaller, it doesn't matter. For us, this pair is not to look for any sell setups at this stage. We can see a continuation higher entering the next week ahead. Next, we're going to have a look at one index, the S&P 500. We can see a drop. This drop can get us towards 4,600 area to 4,500. We are not going to be looking to buy the index at all. We are expecting this drop alongside with the dollar strength. It can support the drop in the S&P 500 as well. Next, we're going to have a look at one metal and one commodity. Let's have a look at gold. For gold, we can see challenging trading days ahead, so we do not really like to trade it right now. We can see some consolidation here as long as the RSI indicator is still below the trend line here. It can consolidate and it can drop next, but we are not really interested to buy or sell gold at this stage because it's in kind of a sideways cycle right now. So any trade setup, we can see it's risky at the moment, so we do not like to try to guess or get into the middle of this range. We will have a look at oil. For oil, very similarly, it's in the middle. We can see that it started the cycle from 13th of December, which is bouncing at the moment. We don't like to trade it right now. The reason is because we can see two possibilities, either a big push up towards the 80 area or smaller push up and then a drop. So for us, we do not want to get involved when the market is in the middle. We do not like to take chances when it's 50-50. We always like to get the higher probability setups, and at the moment oil, it's not very good for trading. Regardless of the situation, we do not see oil going higher a lot, so we will rather sit back and wait for the price action to give us a signal to determine what can happen next with a higher probability setup. And finally, we want to have a look at one of the ETFs, which is the 3Qs. I know that many traders, they like to trade. So similarly with the S&P 500, we can see a drop in the triple Qs starting from the next week, either small push up or not. This drop for us, it's very likely to happen. So we are not going to be looking to buy at this range. So that's it for now for the weekly market forecast. We hope that you enjoyed the first free video here on YouTube. Stay tuned. Every Saturday we will be uploading one of those. We will be also uploading at least once in the midweek about trading tips, motivation, psychology, and other relevant insights. So click the like, subscribe, and check out the link in the description. We do have partner broker One Royal, so we are offering up to 20-25% cashback, which means that at the end of every calendar month on your total trading volume, you will receive up to 20-25% cashback on your trading costs. So this is a great opportunity for you to save money on your trading costs and benefit from trading with one of the best brokers and one of the most reliable brokers out there, which started back in 2006. And the trading conditions are very good. The spreads and everything are very tight. So we are more than sure that you will enjoy trading with One Royal. So leave us a comment below. Let us know your feedback and we'll see you in the next video.